Welcome to Math World. Chapter 1 Numbers Exercise 1.3 Fill in the blanks. If Arilmozhi saves rupees 12 per day, how much money she saves in 30 days? Here, to find how much she saves in 30 days, we multiply 12 by 30. 12 multiplied by 30 is equal to 360. So, she saves rupees 360 in 30 days. If a person A earns rupees 1800 in 12 days, then how much does he earn in a day? 1800 divided by 12 will give his daily earnings. 12 ones are 12, 18 minus 12, 6. Bring down 0. 12 fives are 60. 60 minus 60, 0. 12 times 0, 0. So he earns rupees 150 in a day. Third question, 45 divided by 7 plus 8 enclosed by parenthesis minus 2. By BITMAS rule, we simplify parenthesis first. 45 divided by 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 minus 2. Next we will perform division. 45 divided by 15 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Say true or false. First question given 3 plus 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96. By BITMAS rule, we carry out multiplication first. 3 plus 9 times 8 is equal to 72. 3 plus 72 is equal to 75. So the given answer is false. Next question. 7 multiplied by 20 minus 4 is equal to 136. The operations involved in this numerical expression are multiplication and subtraction. So we will do multiplication first, then subtraction. So 7 multiplied by 20 is 140. 140 minus 4 is equal to 136. So the given answer is true. Third question. 40 plus 56 minus 6 enclosed by parenthesis divided by 2 is equal to 45. First we should remove parenthesis. So 40 plus 56 minus 6, 50 divided by 2. Now this numerical expression contains two operations, addition and division. By BITMAS rule, we will perform division first, then addition. So 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 25. 40 plus 25 is 65. The given answer is false. Statement problems. First one, the number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. How many people visited the library in the last 5 months? Statements. Number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months is equal to 1200 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. Therefore, total number of people visited the public library in the last 5 months is equal to sum of 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. 0, 5 plus 6, 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11,910 people visited the library in the last 5 months. Second question. Charan had a bank savings of rupees 7,50,250. He withdrew rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. Statements. Bank savings of Charan rupees 7,50,250. Amount he withdrew rupees 5,34,500. Therefore, balance amount in his account. When we subtract amount he withdrew from his savings, we get the balance amount in his account. So, rupees 7,50,250 minus rupees 5,34,500. The place values of the digits are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0, 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is less than 5. The digit in the thousands place is 0. So, from 5 10,000, we borrow a 10,000 and give it to the thousands place and make it 10,000. Now the 5 10,000 becomes 4 10,000. Now from 10,000, we borrow a 1,000 and give it to the hundreds place and make it 10 plus 2, 1,200. Now the 10,000 become 9,000. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And 7 minus 5, 2. Balance amount in Charan's account is rupees 2,15,750. Third problem. In a cycle factory, 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Statements. Number of bicycles manufactured in 1 day, 1,560 bicycles. Therefore, number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days, which is equal to 1,560 multiplied by 25. 5 times 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. Carry over 3. 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28. Carry over 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 2 times 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. Carry over 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Carry over 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. By adding this we get 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1, 1 plus 7 8, plus 1 9, 3. 39,000 bicycles are manufactured in 25 days. Fourth question. Rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a New Year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? Statements. Total amount distributed rupees 62,500. Number of employees 25. Therefore, amount received by one employee is equal to 62,500 divided by 25. 25 twos are 50. 62 minus 50 is 12. Bring down 5. 25 5s are 125. 125 minus 125 is 0. 25 times 0 0. 25 times 0 0. Each employee received rupees 2,500 as New Year bonus.